Hello friends, my name is Dr. Naveen Sharma. I am a specialist of knee and shoulder problem. You have seen our old videos in which we explain about the knee and shoulder problems. Today I am deliberately making this video in English to address a larger audience. ACL is very important ligament of the knee joint. Basically knee has four ligaments. ACL ligament which is in front of the knee joint, PCL ligament which is on the back side, MCL ligament which is on the inner side, and LCL which is on the outer side. These four ligaments connect the upper bone which is femur to the lower bone which is tibia. So all these four ligaments are very necessary to the stability of the knee joint. ACL injury is one of the very common sports injury. If you see worldwide sports injury data, this is one of the most common sports injury in the athletes. How it get injured? ACL injury can occur during running, playing football, or any type of contact game such as rugby, kho-kho or kabaddi. As soon as patient injured his knee, he sometimes hear a popping sound, and after that there is a sudden gush of blood in the knee joint, so that knee become very swollen and size of the knee become huge. Patient usually able to walk, and sometimes he can complains of limping also. When he visit a nearby orthopedic doctor, usually they get only X-ray, and on X-ray everything seems fine. So patient become very comfortable that more or less everything is okay with me and I don't need any specific treatment. So patient usually take 10 or 15 days rest, and then after he start to resume his duty. But as soon as he start his duty again, he try to run fast or say he wants to play again, he suddenly feel that there is some instability in the knee joint, like he is not feeling fully confident. If he try to walk down from the stairs, he feels that his leg is moving forward, then he usually try. Otherwise, whenever he is walking on an uneven ground, he feels that he has to favor his knee. There is some problem in the knee joint. Or for example, he is running and somebody calls him from the behind, then he is not able to turn, and if he try to turn, then suddenly he feel unstable and he can fall down again. So these are the typical problem which a ACL patient can encounter with. So whenever he feels such problem, usually he starts searching on the internet, and then he goes to a doctor who is specialized in ligament surgery. And when you go to a doctor who is specialized in ligament surgery, he always gives you a prescription of MRI of the knee joint. So what is the MRI? MRI is a very developed test, and this test tells us not about the bones but the soft tissue like cartilage, meniscus and ligaments. When you get an MRI done, there are various quality of MRI available. I have made a specific video on what type of MRI is best for you. For in this brief video, I can just tell you that you should always go for a 3 Tesla MRI. Once you go get the report of 3 Tesla MRI, you see there is few things mentioned in that MRI. Most common thing is grade 3 ACL tear or complete ACL tear seen. So we become very apprehensive that doctor has told us ACL tear, so what will be the management, how it will be done, whether I will be okay again, I will be pay, or I will not able to play. So these are the some questions which comes in the mind. Friends, relax. ACL is not a very big injury. It can easily be treatable. What more, it can be treated with a very small procedure which is called as arthroscopy. Advantage of arthroscopy as compared to conventional surgery is arthroscopy is done with a very small cut, so there is no big blood loss, there is no big bandages or something. You can walk from the very next day. Initially 15 days you require some support, but after 15 days you can walk without support also. You have to wear a knee brace over the knee joint for the 6 weeks, and hospital stay is very less. Rather, patient can be discharged on the same day or the very next day, or maximum 48 to 72 hours hospitalization is needed. ACL surgery can be done by two techniques. One is a bioscrew technique and one is a all inside technique. Both are quite advanced technique, but my preference is always a bioscrew endo button technique. Why? Because most of the athletes around the world is always go with bioscrew and endo button technique. It's a tried and tested technique and it has shown tremendous results. So I always prefer a bioscrew technique. There are some surgeons which prefer a all inside technique, which can also be done. Both techniques gives good results, but as I told you already that worldwide 99% surgeons always prefer a bioscrew technique. Okay, some patient ask me, sir, suppose we have gone through this surgery, then what will be the further rehabilitation program? How will we do physiotherapy? What will be the further protocol? So usually when you do surgery at our center, we will discharge you after 3 days, and after that you can get your stitch removed in 2 weeks. You have to wear a knee brace for 6 weeks, as I already told you. You can start walking without support in 15 days. If you are working in an office or a clerical job where is no more physical job is required, you can easily join that job in say 1 month or 2 month time. Suppose you want to do a field job where a lot of bike riding is involved or a four-wheeler driving is involved, you will require around 2.5 month break, and after that you can join that job. If you are an army person or a physical labor which require quite a lot of hard work, then you might require a 3-month gap. After 3 months we start jogging, and after 6 to 9 months you can start running. We will give you videos at very step of the each and every step which you can follow easily, and after that you can do same type of exercise as shown in the video. Special thing which is available at our center is like we offer over the period of 9 months a complete online support. So there is no communication gap. Every time whenever you feel any hurdle or you think that the progress is not getting good, you can contact us and ask about your problems, and we will try to solve you. This is our WhatsApp ACL help program, and this is the one of the main pillar why we are having such a tremendous result in ACL surgery. Even if you have not done your surgery at our place and you want to join our program, with the minimum contribution you have to pay, you can join this program and get all your queries answered on the phone. After 9 months you can start play again. There are a lot of international players who have gone through ACL surgery, and most of them are playing up to their full potential. So don't be scared about the ACL surgery. It's a very you can say very developed procedure, and results are pretty good. One more last thing about the type of implant which we use in the ACL surgery. So normally if you have gone through some surgery or your relative has gone through some surgery, you may have seen that they will use titanium implant. The problem with the metal implant is you might need to remove them in the further period. But in ACL we use special type of screws which are called as BioHA screws. The advantage of BioHA screw is they get dissolved or they can become part of the body, so there is no need of a second surgery, and more often than not only the one single procedure is required, and after that you are fully fit. So friends, this was the basic information about the ACL ligament. I hope most of your questions are answered in this video. Maybe I have left something. If you want to remind me, you can just put a question in my comment section. I will be more than happy to answer that question. You can follow and subscribe and like our channel.